Smile Sunday, dear friends. It's a beautiful day, but there are certain people who've not had a good night. Maybe they wake up in the night suddenly with a leg pain. So today I want to look after them, tell them that do not worry, eat well. Normally, the leg pains which happen at night are not due to any disease, are mostly not due to any blockages in the arteries or veins, unless you have you know of a heart condition, or you know of a disease like rheumatism, arthritis, gout. So if none of those diseases exist, then normally the night pains are due to deficiencies. So start drinking more water. You have to hydrate yourself. You have to go out in the sun. Even if it is corona times, be careful and maybe sit in the balcony for some time, or the terrace or certain gardens, so that the absorption of calcium happens and your muscles don't become stiff at night. Sometimes too much running, too much activity like cycling or playing can harden your muscles. Too much of it. Smoking can harden the muscles. That can also give night cramps. Now, the deficiencies, mostly what we feel, are the calcium and magnesium. So, the calcium rich foods can be taken and the magnesium rich foods can be taken. In the magnesium rich foods, spinach, whole wheat, almonds, peanuts, yogurt, bananas, pumpkin seeds, avocados, all are rich in magnesium. In the calcium segment, we all know that milk, non-vegetarian foods can be good, but they also have a lot of fat. So as vegan, we can take ragi, we can take nachni, we can take amaranth, we can take green leafy vegetables, bhindi, ladyfinger, broccoli, oranges. All these are full of calcium. And once there is sufficient calcium and magnesium in our body, I'm sure you won't wake up in the night. In Sujok therapy, in acupuncture, we say that it is the gallbladder meridian which is, functioning more. That when we wake up between 11 and 1, it is the suddenness that, activity happens, and there's a lot of force which wakes you up, and your body, your legs start paining. So once we supplement ourselves with proper magnesium and calcium, I'm sure you'll sleep well through the night. In Sujok therapy, these are the two legs. So when we massage, and these three joints are the ankle, knee, and the hip joint. Ankle, knee, and hip joint. So when we massage the ankle, when we massage the knee, when we massage the hip, we are benefiting the entire legs. In TCM, the Chinese, traditional Chinese acupuncture, also there are various points for muscle, bone health, the bone marrow health, which are situated around your ankle and the knee. So you can massage your fingers, which would represent the legs, or you could directly massage the knees and the ankles. Massage your ankles well. Not just the ankle, a lot of area above the ankles and on the foot. Same thing in the knee also. Massage your knee. Go 3 inches below, 3 inches above, and you will find good relief in your night cramps. There was a small healer who told me once that I make my patients either sleep with a soap bar or apply soap on the legs. I'm not sure, I've not tried it, but science always starts when somebody has a thought and one starts doing research over it. So dear friends, have a great day. Eat your calciums, eat your magnesium, maybe a supplement also would do, and I'm sure you would have a good sleep without any night cramps. Thank you.